moving in a water delight. Renovated space, everything feels right. Torah's wisdom will fill the air. In Ohel Moshe, we gather to share. Excitement rising, can you feel the beat? Together we'll pray, our hearts skip a beat. With every moment, our spirits will soar. In this holy place, we'll forever explore. Hashem's blessing shining so bright, guide us forward, a beautiful sight. With open hearts we'll grow and learn. Ohel Moshe, it's our time to return. So let's celebrate, dance through the night. In our new home, anything feels right. Grateful for this, we'll sing and we'll pray. Ohel Moshe, we're here to stay.